gonna be going in style. Or talking to a speck and sitting on an egg. You're gonna be put on trial.
This is the case of the people versus Horton the elephant.
Horton the elephant.
Judge Earl the turtle presiding, everyone rise.
Order, order, order in the court.
Order, 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 order in the court.
The defendant is charged with talking to a speck, disturbing the peace, and loitering on an egg.
Your Honor, this clover is Exhibit A. There, who's here? There are who's here, smaller than the eye can see.
Biggest playing pool in the jungle of New.
It's true, sir. Here's who, sir. He's a who, and so is she.
Biggest playing pool in the jungle of New.
Order, order, order in the court.
Call to the stand, the star witness versus Horton the elephant. Raise your right hand and swear.
I swear that he's the biggest playing bull in the jungle of Noel, as I testified long ago. The biggest playing bull is a fool, and a brother like me should know. Judging him trunk to toe, you better think. Oh, please, throw in the quick.
Talking to a speck, talking to a speck, to a speck is us.
Objection.
Overruled. Sitting on an egg, sitting on an egg, sitting on an egg.
Objection.
Overruled.
I meant what I said, and I said what I meant. An elephant's faithful 100%. You can throw me in jail, lock me up in a zoo, but I won't desert my egg, and I will not abandon who. These who's, sir, win or lose, sir, whether you believe or not. They're here, they live in fear, and I'm the only friend they've got. You can do what you want with me, Your Honor, and I won't question why. But please save who? The tiniest planet in the sky.
Based on the evidence, I have no choice but to order the defendant, Horton the elephant, remanded to the new asylum for the criminally insane. And as for the dustbin,
And as for the dust speck,
And as for the dust speck that you will boil, 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 boil. In a hot city kettle of hazelnut oil.
Boil it? Oh no, no, that you can't do. It's all full of persons. They'll prove it to you. Mr. Mayor, Mr. Mayor. Oh, please, Mr. Mayor, you've got to prove now that you really are there. So ring every doorbell and send out the word. Make every who holler. Make every who heard.
Boil, 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 boil. Attention all who's, we've got to be heard. There's no time to lose, so set up a show.
make it loud, make it clear.
We are here, we are here, we are here, we are here.
Now surely you heard. That was clear as a bell. Now all of you surely heard that very well.
Boil it, 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 boil it.
Don't give up. I believe in you all. A person's a person, no matter how small. And you very small persons will not have to die if you make yourselves heard. So please try.
Boil it, boil it, boil it, boil it. We are here, 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 we are here.
Jojo, think of something. Now, just for a second, young Jojo looked grim. The fate of the Who's rested squarely on him. But then came a think, a peculiar new word, a kind of a word no one ever had heard.
We are here,